Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video I will be solving 7th sum of exercise 1.1 of chapter integers of standard 7th. So let's see what the question is telling. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So first box, here they have given a square, okay. So they are telling us to check whether this box is a magic box. How will you check whether this box is a magic box? You have to make the sum. Sum means what? You have to do addition. Addition of what? Of the rows, columns and diagonals. When you do the addition of all the rows, columns and diagonals, if the answer you get same, then that will be a magic box. This box will become a magic box, okay. So first let us know what are rows and what are columns and what are diagonals. So these are the rows, these are the rows, okay, and columns are these ones, okay. Horizontal we tell rows and vertical we tell columns. And what are the diagonals? Diagonals are these cross ones like this one and this one, two diagonals, okay, fine. So let us start with row. This is row 1, 2 and this is row 3, and then we have got columns here, column number 1, column number 2 and then column number 3, okay. Let us solve one by one, starting with row number 1, okay. On row number 1, what is there? 5, minus 1 and minus 4, 3 digits are there here, okay. So you have to do the sum here, that means you have to add all these numbers. So first number is 5, then put addition symbol. Why addition symbol? Because they have told us to do sum, okay. You have put addition symbol. What is the next number here? It is minus 1, right? So minus 1. Since there are two signs here coming continuously, let me put this minus 1 in a bracket, fine. Next, which number it's there? Minus 4. Minus 4 is there. So first we have to put addition symbol because they have asked us to do sum. After addition symbol, write minus 4. Again, since the signs are continuously 2 here, let me put this in a bracket, fine. Now how do you solve these brackets? If you have not seen my video of solving the positive and negative integers, please see the video so that you understand the rules, okay. First we have to always start by solving these brackets. So let me write this 5 as it is, okay. Next, here there is a bracket, inside the bracket it is minus, outside the bracket it is plus. Since the signs are different here, for the answer you have to put minus sign, okay. If the signs are different, you have to put minus sign, and you have to do multiplication. Why multiplication? Because it's a bracket. Bracket means you have to multiply it. Now since outside the bracket there is no number given, you must assume the number to be 1 there, okay. So 1 1za is how much? 1 1za is again 1, fine. Next, here outside the bracket it is plus sign, inside the bracket it is minus sign. Since the signs are different here, we have to put in the answer minus sign, okay. If the signs are different, always put minus sign in the answer. Now outside the bracket there is no number given, so again let us assume the number to be 1, okay. Now multiply. 1 4za is how much? 1 4za is 4. So now you are having 5 minus 1 minus 4. So let us solve by taking two numbers here, okay. First let us take 5 minus 1. Let us take this number 5 minus 1, okay. Now here 5 is having plus sign, 1 is having minus sign. Since the signs are different here, so what you will get? You have to do subtraction. If the signs are separate, if the signs are different, you have to do subtraction. So 5 minus 4, what's the answer? 5 minus 4, it is 4 again, and you have to give the sign of greater number. 5 is the greater number, it is having plus sign. No sign means you must know that it is plus sign. So 5 is having plus sign, I will put here plus for the answer, okay. So what is remaining? Minus 4 is remaining, that minus 4 I will write down here, okay. Now what is remaining here? Plus 4 minus 4. See, additive inverse of plus 4 is minus 4, correct, and the additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. So when you have such type of additive inverses, then you can just cancel off these two. Okay, minus 4 and plus 4 both will get cancelled and the answer remaining will be just 0. Okay, so the answer for the row 1 is 0. Now let us check the answer for row 2. What were numbers they have given for row number 2? This is the row number 2. Okay, so first number they have given minus 5. So let me write down minus 5. Then since we are doing sum here, I have to put here plus sign. Okay. Next, which number they have given? Minus 2 they have given. So I will write minus 2 here. Now you see two signs have come continuously. So let me put this minus 2 in a bracket. Next, put addition symbol because we are doing sum here. What number is there next in row number 2? It is 7. So it's just 7 plus 7. Okay, so I'll directly write here 7. No need of putting bracket because two signs have not come here. Okay, directly you can write 7. Now wherever there is bracket, let us open and take that first. Minus 5 I'll write as it is. Okay. Now inside the bracket it is minus, outside the bracket it is plus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to put which sign? Minus sign. If the signs are different, remember you have to put minus sign and do multiplication here. Since there is a bracket, you have to do multiplication. See, outside the bracket they have not given you any number here with the plus sign. So assume the number to be 1. Okay, now multiply. 1 2 is how much? 1 2 is 2. Okay, now plus 7 is remaining. I'll write down that as it is, plus 7. Okay, let us solve by taking two numbers, minus 5 and minus 2. These two numbers will solve first. See here, minus 5 having minus sign here, minus 2, it is also having minus sign. Since both the signs are same, okay, let it be minus, but the signs are same or no? Since both the signs are same, for the answer you have to do addition. If the signs are same, for the answer you have to do addition. Now add it, 5 plus 2, how much is 5 plus 2? It is 7. And what sign the greater number is having? Greater number is 5, it is having minus sign, right? So let me write here minus 7. Now what is remaining here? Plus 7 is remaining. See here, once again you got additive inverses. Additive inverse of minus 7 is plus 7 and additive inverse of plus 7 is minus 7. You have got like this additive inverses, correct? So you can just cancel these out. Okay, minus 7 and plus 7. So what's the answer again? It is 0. Fine. Now let us see the third row. Starting with the third row, first number they have given you 0. So let me write this 0. Then put a symbol of addition because we are doing sum here. Next, which number they have given? 3. Direct 3. No minus sign. So you can directly write here 3. Next, put symbol of addition. Then what number they have given you? Minus 3 they have given. So write here minus 3. Since you have got two signs here continuously, let me put this minus 3 in a bracket. Okay. Now is it necessary to write this 0 as it is down? No, because 0 does not have any value. So don't take this 0. Okay. Let me take this plus 3 as it is down. Okay. Plus 3 I have taken as it is down. Now solve this. Outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to put which sign? You have to put minus sign and do multiplication. There is no number outside the bracket, so let me assume the number to be 1. 1 3 is 3. You can see again you have got like those additive inverses, plus 3 minus 3. So you can just cancel them out and the answer becomes 0. So you see all the rows are having the answer 0. Now let us check for the columns. Okay, first column is this one, 5 minus 5 and 0. Okay, starting with the first number here they have given 5. Then put addition symbol because we have to do the sum here, remember. Second number what they have given? Minus 5 they have given. So write minus 5. Since I have got two numbers here continuously, let me put this minus 5 in a bracket. Okay, then put addition symbol, which is the third number they have given you 0 here. So write 0. Now write this 5 as it is down. Okay, let me solve this bracket first. Outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to put minus sign. Okay, and multiply. Since no number is given, you should assume 1 there. 5 ones is 5, and then no need of writing this plus 0 down, okay, because 0 does not have any value. Now 5 minus 5 is 0, so the answer becomes 0. Next, column number 2. Here is your column number 2, this one. Okay, the first number given is minus 1 here, so minus 1. Then put addition symbol because we are doing sum. Okay, what's the second number they have given? They have given minus 2. So minus 2. You got the same, two signs continuously. So let me put this minus 2 in the bracket. Then put plus symbol and then 3. Okay. Now minus 1 I will write down as it is. Let me solve the bracket first. Outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you should give minus sign. Okay, and multiply. 2 ones is 2, and then plus 3 as it is I will write down. Okay. Now let us take these two numbers and solve them first. Minus 1, minus 2. They have not given a bracket, okay, that means you have to apply the rules of addition and subtraction. Please, if you have not watched my videos of solving these positive and negative integers, see that you watch that video. I have given the link in the description box below. Okay, so signs are same here, minus 1, minus 2. If the signs are same, okay, for the answer you have to do addition. If the signs are same, you have to do addition. So 1 plus 2, what's the answer? 1 plus 2 is 3. And what sign you have to give? You have to give the sign of greater number. This 2 is having minus sign here, so let me give minus. Okay, what is remaining? Plus 3 is remaining. Let me write it down. Now you see here additive inverses, minus 3 plus 3. So these gets cancelled. So what's the answer? 0 is the answer. Now last column. What's the first number here given? Minus 4. Then put an addition symbol. Then next number is 7. Put addition symbol. Last number they've given is minus 3. Since I've got two signs here, let me put this in the bracket. Now these things I'll write down as it is, minus 4 plus 7 as it is I'll write down, because first step we have to always solve for the bracket. Okay, solving the bracket here, outside the bracket it is plus, inside it is minus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to give minus sign and do multiplication. Since it's a bracket, do multiplication. 3 ones is 3. Okay, now here let me take these two numbers first. Minus 4 plus 7. Here you have to apply the rules of addition and subtraction, not multiplication rules, because there is no bracket here. Okay, one sign is minus, one sign is plus. Since the signs are different, for answer you have to do subtraction. So 7 minus 4, how much is the answer? You have got 3 here, and you have to give the sign of bigger number. 7 is having plus sign, so let me put here plus 3. What is remaining? Minus 3 is remaining. Now you have got additive inverses again, plus 3 minus 3, so cancel them off. Answer will become 0. Okay, so you see all the columns also answer is 0 here. Now let us try with the diagonals. Okay, diagonal 1 is this one cross, and diagonal 2 will take this one. Okay, starting with first diagonal, first number they have given you 5, put addition symbol. Second number they have given you minus 2. Since two signs are coming continuously, let me put this in the bracket. Then again addition symbol, and then minus 3. Again there are two signs continuously, let me put this in the bracket. Now this 5 as it is I will write down. Let us solve these brackets first. Outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, put minus here and do multiplication. 2 ones is 2. Outside the bracket plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, put minus sign and do multiplication. 3 ones is 3. Okay, now taking first two numbers here, plus 5 minus 2. Okay, the signs are different and there is no bracket here. There is no bracket, so you have to apply the rules of addition and subtraction. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to do subtraction. 5 minus 2 is how much? Answer is 3. And what sign you have to give? You have to give the sign of greater number. 5 is having plus sign here. Since there is no sign, that means it is plus sign, right? Since 5 is having plus sign, let me put plus here. then what is remaining? Minus 3 is remaining. So again you have got additive inverses, so let me cancel this, you will get the answer to be 0. Okay. Now let us check for the last one, last diagonal. First number they have given you minus 4, so let me write minus 4, then put addition symbol. Second number they have given you here minus 2, since 2 signs are continuously coming, let me put this in the bracket, and the last number they have given you plus 0. Okay. Now minus 4 as it is I have written down. Let me solve the bracket first. Outside the bracket plus, inside the bracket it is minus. So plus and minus signs are minus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you will get minus here, and then 2 ones is 2. Okay. And then this plus 0, no need of carrying it down because 0 has got no value. Now see here, minus 4 minus 2, since the signs are same, for the answer you have to do addition. So 4 plus 2, what's the answer? 4 plus 2 it is 6, and you have to give the sign of greater number. Greater number 4 is having minus sign, so the answer becomes minus 6 here. So you see the last diagonal is not having the answer zeros. Everywhere the answer was 0, but the last diagonal did not have the answer 0. That means your number 1 is not a magic box. Okay, for this box to be a magic box, all the answers should be same. Okay, all the answers should be same. This last number here, diagonal last answer you got minus 6. This is not matching the other answers. That means it is different, right? So this box, box number 1, is not a magic box. Okay, I hope you have understood this sum.